Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 28th of January 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, Sir Keir Starmer has delayed plans to announce China's first wind turbine factory in Britain. It comes amid warnings that it could present a security threat and make the country dangerously reliant on Beijing for renewable energy. The Prime Minister had been expected to give the go-ahead for the £1.5 billion wind turbine plant in Scotland during his trip to Beijing, which starts on Wednesday. The Ministry of Defense said the deal with the Chinese company Mingyang would not be announced during the trip, and a decision on whether to back the project would be taken later. Renewable energy sources accounted for 40.21% of Argentina's total electricity demand in 2025. Total renewable electricity generation reached 56,799 gigawatt-hours in 2025, while overall electricity demand stood at 141,249 gigawatt-hours. The renewable generation mix was led by hydropower with 52.2%, followed by wind at 33.4% and solar energy at 9.2%. Investment in renewables in Alberta has cratered due to government policies. New wind projects have stalled altogether. All projects currently under construction were commissioned by the end of 2024, and 2025 marked the first year without any reported wind capacity additions since 2018. Solar power has also been hit hard, with the smallest annual growth in capacity since 2019. Corporate renewable energy investment is down 99%. The National Energy Administration released national electricity statistics for 2025 in China. The total installed power generation capacity nationwide reached 3.89 terawatts. That is a year-on-year increase of 16.1%. Among them, wind power installed capacity reached just over 640 gigawatts of onshore and offshore capacity that was mechanically installed. That is a year-on-year increase of 22.9%. Data from the NEA showed that total installed wind power capacity for 2025 was 119.33 gigawatts, which was mechanically installed. Over the past few years, Serbia has significantly amended its legal framework to accelerate the development of wind farms and other renewable energy sources. Wind power has been gradually expanding in Serbia over the past decade, but it still represents a small share of the national electricity system, around 2.9% of total electricity production in 2023. For comparison, the 2024 average in the EU was 19%. Today, Serbia has 11 operational wind farms with a combined installed capacity of nearly 600 megawatts. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.